thin and lightweight Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with a 3D curved frosted glass back design that makes it smudge-proof. The phone also features Corning Gorilla Glass 5 that protects it from accidental drops and scratches. It is available in vintage bronze, glacial blue and dark night colors. The phone is available in both 6GB and 8GB RAM variants. Both variants come with 128GB UFS 2.2 internal storage, which is expandable up to 512GB with dedicated SD card slot. It comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. Redmi Note 10 Pro has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED dot display with a 20:9 aspect ratio for an immersive viewing experience. The phone has an ultra-bright display with a wide color gamut that produces true-to-life colors. With a 120Hz refresh rate, the phone offers you smooth gaming experience. It comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor with double-tap gestures to quickly access features like camera, Google Assistant, etc. The phone also comes with dual stereo speakers and high-res audio for an immersive sound experience. Redmi Note 10 Pro has a 64-megapixel quad rear camera with a 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 5-megapixel telemacro and portrait lens. It comes with Night Mode 2.0, Dual Video, Long Exposure, Magic Clone and Vlog modes. It also comes with a 16-megapixel in-display selfie camera. Powered by MIUI 12 that is based on Android 11 OS with Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G octa-core processor and Adreno 618 GPU, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with a 5020 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charger that charges from 0 to 59% in just 30 minutes and 0 to 100% in 75 minutes. The box includes handset, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case.